Government-backed hackers are attacking healthcare and research institutions in an effort to steal valuable information about efforts to contain the new coronavirus outbreak, Britain and the United States said on Tuesday in a joint warning.
Today, the UK's National Cybersecurity Centre and the US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency have published a joint warning about these groups, and we've offered some advice on the cyber criminals and other actors who are seeking to exploit COVID-19 through malicious cyber activity. Our teams have identified campaigns targeting healthcare bodies, pharmaceutical companies, research organisations, and also various different arms of local government.
The both agencies did not say which countries were responsible for the attacks, but one US official and one UK official said the warning was in response to intrusion attempts by suspected Chinese and Iranian hackers, as well as some Russian-linked activity. The two officials spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss non-public details of the alert. Tehran, Beijing and Moscow have all repeatedly denied conducting offensive cyber operations and say they are the victims of such attacks themselves.
Now, there are various objectives and motivations that lie behind these attacks, from fraud on the one hand to espionage. But they tend to be designed to steal bulk personal data, intellectual property and wider information that supports those aims, and they're often linked with other state actors.
The warning follows efforts by a host of state-backed hackers to compromise governments, businesses and health agencies in search of information about the new disease and attempts to combat it. Reuters has reported in recent weeks that Vietnam-linked hackers targeted the Chinese government over its handling of the coronavirus outbreak, and that multiple groups, some with ties to Iran, tried to break into the World Health Organization. The officials said that the alert was not triggered by any specific incident or compromise, but rather intended as a warning both to the attackers and targeted organizations that need to better defend themselves. The agency said the hackers had been seen trying to identify and exploit security weaknesses caused by staff working from home as a result from the coronavirus outbreak. In other incidents, the attackers repeatedly tried to compromise accounts with a series of common and frequently used passwords, a technique known as password spraying.